You guys, I'm in the backyard. Look. Do y'all see the chipmunk? Look, right there. Y'all see the chipmunk? So pretty. Oh my God. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. How cute is that? I'm back here in the backyard enjoying myself. Where'd you go, baby? Where'd you go? I'm just going to show y'all some things. And since I left and came back, I got my package. So I'm going to bring you guys, I'll show you. Actually, they just left here maybe like 10 minutes ago. So I'm not going to, here it is here. I'm not going to, it is kind of heavy. Ooh. I'm not going to show it to you guys right now, but I will, this thing is heavy. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. I probably got y'all everywhere. But yeah, I won't show it to you guys today, but I will show you guys. For some odd reason, this box seems like it should be heavier than this, though. It seems like it should be bigger than this, is what I'm saying. So yeah, let me put this down here. Ooh, put it down there. And I forgot what I was going to say, y'all. Oh, I went on and took the curtains down. Curtains are down. I said, just forget it. Put them over here with everything else. Bar cart, all the front, this signs on the door is empty. I got everything in the kitchen, guys. Everything in the kitchen. I got it where I can still get to the stuff so I can make meals. Like, you know, little stuff here. It's all that. So I did get all of that taken care of. That's just something, this is like something that has to do with this outlet right there. So I got all my cleaning supplies here. Guys, I am so upset. I'm so upset. My bullet, I don't know what's wrong with it. I've been plugging it in. I don't know if it's because I've been juicing so much. I plugged it up. It is not working. So I do have the box to this. I might have to take it back to Bed Bath & Beyond because that's where I got it. So yeah, I'm like, this is not the right time for that to be happening, but that's okay. That just lets me know when things like that happen to me, like anything that happened, it just lets me know I'm on the right track when things try to interfere with what God is trying to do. But yeah, so here is all my cleaning stuff, my craft stuff, and I was working in here on, I cleaned all the knobs on the stove to get that out of the way, you know, so that looks a whole lot better. I don't know if I showed y'all that all this stuff here is done, and that's it. There's my supplements. Oh, guys, I cleaned these out from, I went to a, what do you call those places? The apple picking. I went to an apple picking with a friend. So I cleaned those off. So I was cleaning them with actual Myers soap and vinegar. So that's what I was doing for that. But yeah, so that's what I was doing with the apples. And guys, I got these the other day. And let me know if y'all have tried these. Have anybody tried these? These are yellow, Zespri. They're sweeter yellow kiwi. That's what they're called. But I gave a couple of them. I gave 3 of them away. But let me know if y'all tried these. I think they're going to be great. So yeah, all of that's done. However, today I am going to go over the vases. Now you guys can see the real color. I'm going to go over them some more just to give it just an updated, refresh look. And then I'm going to bring you guys along. I think the last clip you guys are going to see me, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and glue these on here. I got these from Dollar Tree, as I told you guys, and they're real wood. I'm going to use these for when I have the housewarming. I want to be able to use them for the dishes that I'm going to serve. I'm only going to serve like 4 dishes, so I'm going to get that done. And I'm thinking, what else did I do? What else has been done? Guys, it's really empty in here, like really empty. So I bought everything from out of here. So this how these are the things that are for sale. Lady supposed to contact me about this mirror again. Bathroom is all the way done. Everything is out of here except for like 2 brushes and soap. You got to use that. So everything is cleaned out. I left that ceramic towel for the buyers. You know, you want to be able to put some more up here, whatever they want to do. I don't care. But yeah, bathroom's done. And yeah, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what was your favorite part. Do you like packing videos? Getting ready to move from one location to another? Do you like those kind of videos? And I'm just going to bring you guys along for whatever I can bring you guys along for. Thank you guys for tuning in today. I really appreciate it. Thank you all for Why does it sound like somebody on my door? Thank you to all my new subscribers. So the next part of this video, I'm going to just bring you guys along. I'm going to go ahead and do my little tags and stuff and get that over with. So guys, like I said, peace and love always. Guys, don't forget, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Guys, continue to pray. Continue to pray for our country, for our nation. We need it. I'll see you in the next one, guys.